Welcome to the Markets Mindset. Today, we're diving into a question that almost every trader has asked at some point. Why does trading feel harder than it should? On the surface, trading looks simple. You buy low, you sell high. You wait for your setup, and you execute it. That's what the textbooks say. But the reality feels very different. The charts move faster than you expect, emotions creep in, and the plan that looked perfect a few hours ago suddenly feels impossible to follow. So let's unpack why trading feels so hard, and how you can start making it easier on yourself. Trading isn't just numbers, it's psychology. The markets are a mirror, constantly reflecting your fears, doubts, and impulses back at you. You're not just competing against other traders. You're competing against your own emotional responses. Every tick against you feels like danger. Every green candle in your favor feels like hope. But that constant swing between fear and hope drains your mental energy. This is why trading feels harder than it should, because you're carrying an invisible weight every time you enter a position. 2. You're trying to predict, not react. Many traders fall into the trap of wanting to be right. They think their job is to predict the next move, but prediction creates pressure. If you're wrong, it feels personal. The best traders focus on reaction instead. They don't need to be right about what the market should do. They focus on what the market is doing, and they respond with discipline. That shift, from prediction to reaction, makes trading feel lighter and less stressful. 3. Overcomplication makes trading harder. Another reason trading feels so tough: most traders overcomplicate everything. They load their charts with too many indicators. They follow 5 different strategies at once. They switch from scalping to swing trading to options trading in the same week. The truth is, complexity is the enemy of execution. The more moving parts you add, the more mental strain you create. Trading feels easier when you strip it down. Focus on one strategy. Focus on one setup. Focus on one process. Simplicity builds confidence, for your expectations don't match reality. Many traders walk into the markets with the wrong mindset. They expect fast money, constant wins, and the ability to quit their job within 6 months. But trading is a long game. It's about consistency, not speed. When your expectations don't match the reality of slow, steady progress, trading feels harder. You think you're failing when in fact you're just experiencing the normal learning curve. Adjusting your expectations to align with reality makes the process feel manageable. 5. You're underestimating the mental cost. Here's the truth. Trading is work. It's not just sitting at a desk pressing buttons. It's analysis, patience, and discipline. It's managing losses without revenge trading. It's following rules when your emotions are screaming at you to break them. If you underestimate the mental cost of trading, it will always feel harder than it should. But once you accept that mental toughness is part of the job, the challenge becomes more bearable, and even motivating. The fix. So how do you make trading feel easier? Strip away the noise and simplify your charts. Stop trying to predict. Focus on reacting. Build routines so that discipline doesn't feel like a fight every day. And most importantly, give yourself permission to be human. You won't get it right every time, and you don't need to. Trading is a performance skill, and just like any other skill, it gets easier with deliberate practice and realistic expectations. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the Markets Mindset.